second to last leg of our trip. Sadly, we're going to Yokohama today for a couple of days. Spend the night in a lovely apartment there where we can make some gluten-free food for Andy back there. And then we got 3 nights at the Conrad in Tokyo before we have to sadly get on a plane and go home.
Just a short metro ride brought us to Oakwood Suites Yokohama. Back in March when we traveled, I thought I'd found a hidden gem, but by September 2025 it had permanently closed. The property was purchased by Singapore-based Lone Star with plans to reopen as a luxury hotel. That likely means much higher prices, making it less accessible to most travelers. It's bittersweet since the apart hotel offered stunning views of Yokohama and even Mount Fuji. Here's a look at the views, room sizes, and layouts you can expect once the new version opens its doors.
Hey everyone, so we have come from Osaka, from the Conrad Osaka, which was beautiful, to Yokohama today. We're staying at the Oakwood Suites, which is a fairly well-known hotel. I just booked it through booking.com, which I'm not used to because usually I book things direct. And we are just lucking out on rooms. We are room 5124. We are on the top floor. The 51st floor is the highest. It's a King Deluxe, I believe. Let me take you inside and show you. It's beautiful. So this is the view when you come in. And right here you've got your oven microwave and a medium-sized fridge. And you've got your whole kitchen here. Very well stocked. Got our wine glasses up there. Plates, cups, stuff for coffee. We got all this. You have your Nespresso machine. It only came with 2 capsules. We had brought some and we had collected some from other places, so we're lousy with them now. You've got your stove, kettle for boiling, and your toaster. Excuse the mess in here. We had all our stuff forwarded to here and we have to regroup. Over here we have the washer dryer, which is currently running a washing drying load, and you'll see it's got 3 hours on it. So if you're gonna wash and dry, and it's a small load, it's probably only 3 kilos or something, and it's still gonna take 3 hours to wash and dry, and this stuff probably won't be dried yet. Got a whole bunch queued up there. They do give you a little laundry basket to put stuff in. You've got your Toto washlet over there, looks like a nice one. Single basin, nice big mirror. And then you have your wet room. Smallish bathtub, not gonna get much use out of that, but other than that, just fine. No overhead shower rows, I don't use those anyway. Perfectly nice shower head. You also do have over here your dishwasher. You gotta ask them for soap if you wanna use that. And above it, you got a drawer with silverware. You have under the sink, you got a rice cooker and some pans, some utensils, etc., etc. And here you have pots. And what's in this one? Oh, this looks like it's for towels and stuff. There's either a vase or a jug for something in there. Next to that, you have a desk. Hello again. Very nice. I've put all my shoes here. I've got big TV. I'm sure it tilts. Yes, it tilts. So you can see it from the bed. Here's Andy and some of our winnings from the crane games. Not all of them. Some of them went straight to Tokyo. They've got a humidifier in here for us. And over here you have a big, big closet. So we've actually put stuff in there and put stuff in here. The only thing I would say is it's a little hot in here. And I'm having a little trouble. This I've got on full aircon, but it still seems to be blowing hot air, so that's a little bit strange. That's why we have the door open. And here we are looking back at the room. It's pretty nice. So out here, you can actually see Mount Fuji. Room. So we have the view of the ship down there and the sky cabins. And over here is Cosmo World, and that's the IHG, the Intercon that we almost stayed at. So we're facing onto it. That would have been nice too, but we wanted to sort of have a kitchen and that kind of thing. And then here off in the distance, you can see Tokyo. So there's Skytree right there, off in the distance. And coming over here, we should, there it is, Tokyo Tower is right there. So, pretty nice view, pretty great hotel. It was about $200 a night right now, and we're gonna go out for a walk, get some gluten-free food, and hope that Fuji roos its head tomorrow. It's been a bit snowy and stormy and weird, like snowing in the mornings, sunny in the afternoons, 4 seasons in one day. But what a view. It's beautiful here. And here we are looking at Fuji from room 5124 at the Oakwood Suites Yokohama. Beautiful. So glad it came out for us. It's got snow on it now. It was late this year, but now it's well packed.
If you've ever been to Yokohama's waterfront, you may have noticed a striking ship docked in the harbor. That's the Nippon Maru, often called the pirate ship by visitors because of its tall masts and sails. It's actually a historic training vessel from 1930, now preserved as a museum where you can step aboard and imagine life at sea. It's one of the city's most iconic sights, right in the heart of Minato Mirai. As afternoon turned to evening, we were treated to something magical, the sun dipping behind Mount Fuji, painting the sky in shades of golden orange. This property truly has some of the best views in Yokohama. Once it reopens as a luxury hotel, it will no doubt be one of the most spectacular places to stay. If it's within your budget, keep an eye out. You won't want to miss it.
So we are on the 51st floor in the Oakwood Suites Yokohama, and this is our view this evening with the lovely red sunset behind Mount Fuji. Oh my gosh, could you ask for anything more perfect than that? This is a star hotel. Asked for a city view room. We did. It worked perfectly. Yokohama is a very picturesque city. The parts of it that are interesting are small. This is the Intercon, Cosmo World Ferris wheel, and the air cabins. And this over here is our hotel. And we're actually facing out this direction, so our room is up there somewhere, near a corner. We're actually gonna take the air cabins now.
Where are we?
We are in Yokohama. We are on the air cabin, which is one of the suspended car ropeways. This is relatively new. There's some information about it. These are some pretty flash cabins, aren't they? And luckily, they fit 8 people, but they will give you your own car. So we have our own car. Honestly, in our apartment, we're looking down on this, so I'm not sure what we're gonna see. But it's a thing you do here, so we're doing it. We just came off of the track, and there it goes onto a track for you to get on, and then it goes back onto the line above. Woo!
Opened in 2021, this urban cable car glides over the waterfront, connecting Sakuragicho Station to the popular Roll Porters and Red Brick Warehouse area. The ride only takes about 5 minutes, but the views are fantastic. You'll float right above the city, the harbor, and even catch glimpses of the giant Ferris wheel. It's quick fun and definitely worth doing at least once while you're here.
It's just a beautiful day.
So we're here inside Cosmo World, and there's the big coaster. There's the big coaster. There's also the big Ferris wheel. We're going on the Ferris wheel. So we gotta go find tickets, play some games, and then we're out of here. Here we are in the Cosmo World Clock Ferris wheel. Are you excited? It's our 3rd Ferris wheel of the trip. Woo! I'm gonna get some time lapse. Let's do it.
Cosmo World is Yokohama's landmark amusement park, sitting right on the waterfront in Minato Mirai. Opened in 1990, it's best known for the giant Cosmo Clock 21 Ferris wheel, which doubles as a clock and lights up the skyline at night. With no admission fee and rides ranging from thrilling coasters to family attractions, it's an easy and fun stop while exploring this city. World Porters is a shopping and entertainment complex that opened in 1999 as part of Yokohama's Minato Mirai development. True to its name, it brings together a world of options. Fashion, home goods, a cinema, and plenty of dining choices, from Japanese specialties to international flavors. Just next door to Cosmo World, it's a great spot to shop, eat, and soak up the lively waterfront atmosphere.
So here we are at Leonard's, famous Malasadas bakery from Hawaii that I haven't been to in more years than I can count, but this is a fresh hot strawberry cream malasada. Probably tastes as good as always. Puffy. That's nice. I don't remember them being this good. It's been like 10 years.
You want to get one for the road?
No. This is enough, but we need to turn that off now because I got to devour this.
Okay,
Yum.
bye.
First time I've ever seen a TV screen in a bathroom. It detects occupancy based on whether the door is open or closed.
For 2 days in a row, we strolled along the Ukagawa River to Café Sakuragicho, which is a cozy, gluten-free gem just a 5-minute walk from Sakuragicho Station and about a 15-minute walk from Minato Mirai and our hotel.
Hi.
Their ribs are legendary, the fried chicken and fries come from a dedicated GF fryer, and the thin crust pizzas offer both Western and Japanese toppings. Drinks are creative, healthy, and refreshing, coffee is top-notch, and desserts, think cheesecakes and flourless cakes, are a perfect sweet finish. The owner is also the chef, and he was excited to chat with us about Andy's celiac and how he tailors his dishes to fit gluten-free needs. He even shared tips for finding great GF spots in Tokyo, like Rice Hack, which we tried later and loved.
So we just had Café Sakuragicho, so it's near Sakuragicho Station, and Andy had pork ribs and also karaage, fried chicken, because it's the first time he's been able to eat and not worry about it at all.
It was so good.
And we also had Basque cheesecake, so baked cheesecake, very yummy, made in-house. We're gonna go back tomorrow because he liked it so much.
Yeah, the ribs, oh my God, the meat fell off the bone. The salad was excellent.
And now we're just by one of the canals here trying to find our way home. It's about a 15 to 20 minute walk.
Yes.
And it's cold out this evening. It's like 5 o'clock, but we're gonna walk home because we ate too much.
One of the best parts of our apart hotel was the full kitchen. We could grab groceries right downstairs and make our own breakfasts, which was such a fun way to try local ingredients. And for our daily caffeine fix, there was even a Starbucks on the ground floor. Now, here's a quick lighthearted look at some of our favorite drinks and treats we enjoyed in Japan.
Hi. When I'm Pokemon hunting in Japan, nothing gives me more energy than strawberry milk. Yes, strawberry milk. You can even see some of the little pieces in there. It is so delicious. I've had strawberry milk in America, and it's not the same. So they give you this pull-out straw, and you get the tip and stick it in, just like that. Just like Mom used to make. Okay, cut.
So I almost forgot the most important thing that I found at the grocery store. Now, I drink green tea when I'm in Japan because it doesn't seem to bother me, right? I can have all the caffeine I want because I'm walking 20,000 steps a day. It's all good. But I noticed this time it was making me aggressive. I was getting kind of impatient with Andy, and I figured out after a couple days, oh, I can't have that. I like the rich green tea. There's one that's like a diet tea. It's got a lot of quercetin in it. It's the stuff that makes it bitter, which I love. Don't know why. So I thought, oh, I can't have green tea anymore. I've been drinking grape juice instead. But today, right next to the rich green tea I hadn't seen before, I found this decaf green tea in bottles. I love this place. I wish I could find this in the States. I'm going to try it now and see how it is. Sounds good. Looks and smells like green tea. Oh, look at that. This is going to be lovely. We'll see how good it is if I sleep. Oh. Just like green tea. It's light. It's not like the rich green tea, but it's still good. Oh, that's so quenching. Here we are on our last morning in Yokohama, and there's the beautiful Mr. Fuji showing himself just a little bit over the smog. There is probably combined fog and smog this morning. So, actual distance, but you know, it looks that size to us when we see it from here. But this is an outstanding hotel. If you get the part that faces the water, that faces the tower over here, this is the side that you want. I know that the 20s, so floor number plus 20 something, are over this side. So request that if you can. And we're going to see if Fuji will come out just a little bit more before we leave so we can pay our respects and say bye.
Thanks so much for joining us on our Yokohama adventure. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps our channel grow. We've got plenty more travel tips, hotel reviews, and gluten-free dining finds across Japan coming your way, so hit the bell to catch the next one. Until then, safe travels, and we'll see you in the next video.